Most projects fail not because of poor execution, but because the wrong development approach was chosen from the start. Welcome back to Andro Indian. Today, we're decoding the most critical step in project leadership: selecting your development approach. Predictive, adaptive, or hybrid, choosing the right one isn't a matter of preference. It's a strategic decision that dictates your success. The key? You must evaluate 3 critical dimensions: deliverables, project dynamics, and the organizational context you're operating in. Let's start with the predictive approach, often called Waterfall. This is for when the path ahead is crystal clear. Use this when requirements are well defined, the scope is fixed, and the goal is to minimize changes once work begins. Think of large infrastructure projects or software with rigid regulatory requirements. Here, planning is king. Now, contrast that with the adaptive approach. This is the domain of Agile, where change is not just expected, it's embraced. When deliverables are evolving and the final product isn't fully known, an iterative cycle allows you to learn and pivot. This is perfect for high uncertainty environments, like developing a new AI-driven product for the Indian market. But what if your project doesn't fit neatly into either bucket? That's where the hybrid approach shines. Hybrid models combine the structure of predictive planning with the flexibility of adaptive execution. For example, rolling out a tracking system involves fixed hardware installation, but constantly evolving software features. So how do you choose? Let's dive deeper into our 3 dimensions, starting with deliverables. Ask yourself, how stable are the requirements? If they are 90% fixed, go predictive. If only 30% are known, go adaptive. Consider the cost of change. In physical construction, changing a foundation is expensive. In software, code is flexible. The second dimension is project dynamics. This covers your team's experience and the urgency of delivery. Is your team experienced with the technology? Novelty increases uncertainty, pushing you toward more adaptive cycles. Does the market demand a minimum viable product immediately? If so, adaptive iterations are your best bet. Finally, look at the organizational context. Your company's governance and culture play a massive role. Does your organization require heavy documentation and phase gates, or does it empower decentralized decision-making? Strategic alignment means choosing an approach that your stakeholders understand and support. Selecting the right approach isn't just about the how, it's about the why. Align your methodology with real project needs. Thanks for watching. Visit androindian.com for more insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.